Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Rissica and I'm a fashion and lifestyle vlogger, and today we are decorating for the holidays. We are getting Christmas ready here at our house. I'm really excited because my husband David is home for Christmas this year. Last year he wasn't able to be home because he was deployed, but he is home this year, so I'm going to be having his help decorating, setting up the Christmas tree. So I am thrilled because last year was just a little bit difficult, one, doing it quarantine, and two, doing it by myself. So I'm really excited for him to be home and help me decorate. As you can see, we're starting with a clean slate, so I'll show you the room completely empty and then we will start decorating. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and check out the description box below for all of the items. We've been decorating now for 3 years, so it's mostly a collection of like Michael's and Target's items. I will try to link similar items or the exact items down below. So let's get started with decorating. Just wanted to jump on here really quick and talk about the Christmas tree. So the Christmas tree is from Michael's. It's the Ashland brand. It's the flocked 7.5 foot tree. And we got this tree, this is year 3 with this tree. And as it gets older, it sheds less. Like the flock doesn't get all over like it once does. So if somebody's asking, like, does this tree shed? It does, but as it gets older, it gets better. I heard that you can actually spray it with hairspray and that makes it better, but we've really seen no reason to do that. This tree was super affordable too. If they still have it, I will link it below like I promised at the beginning of the video. But this is the flocked tree behind me. I haven't done our outside decor yet because it's already dark, so I don't want to go out there and do that in the dark. But the next thing I have to do is the most dangerous part of decorating here in this house. It is putting these bulbs up on the top of our kitchen cabinets. I fell off the first year that we were doing it. I like took a wrong step and I just like fell down. So I'm not gonna record myself doing that because if I fall, it's not gonna be pretty. It's just easier if I just get up there and do it. So I'm gonna do that next. I'll show you like the before and after as well. I'll show you the little like entranceway, our bench that we have decorated. I'll show you that next. And then tomorrow is a new day and I will show you how we decorated the outside as well, because we do have a new rug that's going out there. So this is the top of our kitchen cabinets and the bulbs are going to go on top of there. So I'll show you what that looks like once I am done. right here is our little entranceway. The Merry Everything pillow I got from Target last year. Same with the banner. And then the pillows are from Kirkland. So I got those all last year. Looks really cute. So I just finished setting up the outside area. It's a new day. We had to stop because it got too dark. But this is the outside porch area. So this wreath is from Michaels. I got it a few years ago. This giant Be Merry mat is from Grandin Road. I'm sure they'll have them this year. The two trees, they actually light up. Those are from Big Lots. And then the two lanterns are from Michaels, and I got the like faux flocked pine and put it in there, and that was from Michaels as well. So everything is kind of mixed where it came from. But this is our little porch area that I absolutely love. So this is the finished bathroom. Now this rug, I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby or Target like 3 years ago. It's been a minute, but this cute little tree and ice skates, those are from Target, and they actually still have them available this year, so I'll try to link them below. The Meet Me Under the Mistletoe is from Michaels. Again, not sure if they have that this year, but I'll try to link it if they do have it. And then this little pom-pom wreath that you see here is from Target, and I think they have that this year as well. Again, I will try to link it. And on top of our little pedestal sink, there's this little tree, again from Target. I got this little soap from TJ Maxx, which is adorable. I just sit it up there as a decoration. Hand soap over here is from, I believe, TJ Maxx as well. We also put a holiday air freshener in here. I haven't plugged it in yet. And we just have a little festive hand towel. But yeah, this is the finished bathroom. I think it looks really cute and Christmassy for our guests. So I just wanted to hop on here and say thank you so much for watching this Christmas Decorate With Me video. I know I didn't buy a lot of new stuff, but I feel like our Christmas collection has really come together. I will be filming a haul of a few things that I got from Joann's and Target. A few things from Target, not very much because I couldn't find anything. But yeah, we are decorated for the holidays. We are super excited. I will try to link a majority of everything that we have in the description box. I will link these glasses as well. They are blue light filtering glasses. They're from Target. I've been wearing them because I've been having migraines all of a sudden. Great for the holiday season. We love to be wiped out by a migraine. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and stay tuned for more holiday content. Finn is so happy, so pretty. Already nestled in the fur. A little pug got some flocks on her. And you. A beautiful girl. So pretty.